Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at how to start a BMW with a bad starter and other cars too. Trying to start a BMW vehicle with a bad starter can be very depressing, particularly when you need to meet an important appointment or catch a flight. When the engine of your BMW refuses to retort after you twist the ignition key, it could point to a starter fault. So, you may want to know how to start a BMW with a bad starter. The starter of any automobile makes up a component of the electric circuit. It is an electric motor that turns on the engine of a car. You don't need to worry anymore because this video brings you a series of simple methods you can employ on how to start a BMW with a bad starter and get things back on track. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. How to start a BMW with a bad starter. Check connections. If the connections of your BMW are faulty, the engine will not respond to the starter. Ensure you accurately test the joining and cables between the battery and the starter to confirm if everything is okay. Make tighter every loose connection since a loose connection would mean less current flow to the starter. Clean the corrosion. Another way to start a BMW with a bad starter is to eliminate the corrosion. This is because corrosion may well be responsible for hindering the flow of current. Grime and oil can collect on the starter and the car battery, leading to corrosion of the cable clamps and battery terminals. This may mean you'll have to sever connections of the battery and use a rub down to wipe the corroded parts gently. You can combine water and caustic soda to get rid of tough stains. Be cautious about not severing any connections. Tap with a tool. Another uncomplicated hack on how to start a BMW with a bad starter is to tap the starter with a tool, preferably a wrench or light hammer. If the starter is faulty, but the windshield wipers and headlights aren't functioning, the stuck gear may be having issues. The starter will be unable to work properly with stuck gear. To rectify this issue, gently tap the starter with a tool about 5 times. You must carefully find its position in the car and differentiate it from other mechanisms. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. Shake the car. Shaking your vehicle is another swindle on how to start a BMW with a bad starter. This method will help to release a stuck gear. To shake the car, push down the vehicle's handbrake lever while it's in top gear. This will cause the car to rock and slacken stuck gears. In conclusion, it is important to understand that car starter problems can occur randomly due to various causes. Some common reasons for car starter problems include corroded terminals, loose terminals, and damaged or worn-out system gears. If one of the reasons mentioned is responsible, starting your car might be an issue. Unfortunately, it may take forever to detect the real cause of why your car cannot start. However, most car problems are traceable to a fault. Try some approaches to help you establish the precise cause of your car's starter issues. Irrespective of the car starter problems, the useful tips mentioned earlier should assist you in rectifying the situation. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.